In today's video, we're going to talk about cases, document, and email NVC National Visa Center is working on this week. And also, I will check a U.S. Consulate update of 3 other countries for you today. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde, and welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome here. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding their immigration questions. Sometimes I give advice to those newcomers so they don't get into trouble, okay? So they can have a better life here in the United States of America. You know, once in a while we talk about different topics. By the way, I think it's time for me to start talking about different topics because as a newcomer, you deal with a lot of stuff, not just immigration stuff, okay? We're gonna start making those videos as well. But today's video, like I said in the introduction, is about NVC update, cases, document, and email they are working on this week, because I update you guys every week, especially some of you guys who don't have a chance to check the NVC update on their website, or some of you guys who are new in the process who don't know exactly how it works, okay? So if you are a petitioner, okay, or visa applicant, you have to know that once your case is approved by USCIS, well, in case you're going to come to United States of America on immigrant visa, meaning that you live outside the country, well, your case will move to NVC National Visa Center. But if you already live here in the United States of America and somebody petitioned for you, well, your case gonna stay at USCIS, okay? Then USCIS will notify you, will send you your approval letter, your petition approval letter, and ask you to adjust your status. Then that's another process. That's the process that will take you to get your green card. But if you're gonna come, again, if you're gonna come to United States of America on immigrant visa, well, that's when you're gonna focus on NVC National Visa Center. So now, once your case is approved, USCIS will send your case to NVC, okay? So if you are immediate relative, meaning that you are maybe daughter, sons of a US citizen under age of 21, you are a spouse of a US citizen, you are mother or father of a US citizen, well, chances are your case will reach NVC within 30 days, okay? But if NVC doesn't contact you like in 45 days and 60 days, well, you can ask your petitioner, okay, to contact NVC and ask them why you didn't get your welcome letter, because they're supposed to send you a welcome letter once they create a visa case for you, so you can start your immigrant visa process. So yesterday, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on July 30th. So once they receive those cases, and like I said, they will create a visa case for you and contact you with a welcome letter. In the welcome letter, you will get a case number, an invoice ID, and you're going to use those 2 things to log in into NVC system. So once you log into the system, you will pay fees, 2 fees, okay, affidavit of support fee and also immigrant visa fee. Once you pay those fees, well, you can start the process. You can start fill it out on DS 260 form, okay? Once you fill out the form, you will fill out the affidavit of support form. In case you have to submit affidavit of support, you're gonna submit some document. You, the petitioner, gonna submit some document, and also you, the visa applicant, will submit some document as well. So once you pay the fee, submit all those documents, that's when NVC gonna sit down and be like, okay, let me review all this, okay? They will review everything. If everything is fine, there is no mistake, you didn't send like incorrect document and the fees and the amount you're supposed to pay and all that, well, your case will be document to qualify. But now, yesterday, NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on June 11. Okay, so now your case is documentary qualified, you have to wait for NVC to schedule interview appointment for you. Okay, some of you guys will get your interview appointment later sooner. Some of you guys won't, especially if you are immediate relative, or maybe you have an adoption case. Maybe you are U.S. citizen, you adopt a child. Well, those cases are high priority. Okay, if you are a spouse of U.S. citizens, or if you are children of U.S. citizens under the age of 21, you are in high priority. Okay, and then people who are like relative of green card holders, and people, some of you guys on whose visa were whose interview was canceled because of the pandemic. U.S. Consulate are working on your cases as well. And then people who are like in F4 category or lottery visa winners, well, those people are kind of on the bottom, but eventually you'll get your interview appointment later. Okay, so you just have to be patient. There's nothing you can do once your case is documentary qualified. If there is something's going on, then you need to expedite your case. That's another story. You can send your expedite request to NVC, but other than that, you just have to wait. Don't try to hire an immigration lawyer for that, because at that level, there's nothing else you can do. Unless you don't know how to expedite your case, you want to hire somebody to do that, that's fine. Okay, so just be patient. I know it's hard to say. Some of you guys have been waiting for many years now. You just have to be patient. Okay, you cannot force NVC to schedule an interview appointment for you. So now the third update is regarding email you guys sent to NVC, asking different questions, where they do their best to respond to your email. Yesterday also, August 9th, they announced on the website that they are responding to email they received from you guys on July 17th. Make sure you monitor your emails so you don't miss any emails coming from NVC National Visa Center. Another thing, once NVC contacts you to start your immigrant visa process, you have up to a year to start the process. If you don't, NVC can cancel your petition, can terminate your petition. Okay, if they terminate your petition, you still have a chance for them to reinstate your petition if you can prove within 2 years that whatever happened is something that is out of your control. Okay, but do everything to start your immigrant visa process within that 1 year period. Okay, so let's jump into the U.S. Consulate update. If you are ready, let's go in front of my computer. Okay guys, if you are new here to come to this page, all you gotta do is tap usembassy.gov in your browser. That will bring you to this page, and from here you can choose the country, like your country or whatever country you want to check the U.S. Consulate update for. Okay, excuse me. So now the first U.S. Consulate update we're gonna check is gonna be for which country? Click on this one. It's gonna be Nigeria. Okay, so U.S. Embassy and Consulate in Nigeria. Here's what is going on. So over here, they're saying that the United States Embassy in Abuja and Consulate General in Lagos are processing a limited number of non-immigrant and immigrant visas. Okay, so that's all you have to know here. They are working on visas. Okay, don't think like they are not working on visas because you didn't get your interview appointment letter yet. So as far as immigrant visa, they are working on immigrant visas based on priorities. Okay, the first priority is adoption case. Okay, in case you adopt a child and you are a U.S. citizen, you guys are on top of the priority list. And then spouses and children of U.S. citizens. So children, those are children who are under 21. Okay, and then applicant petitioned by U.S. citizen and lawful permanent resident. So they are like a third level, including fiancé of U.S. citizens. Whose immigrant visa interview was scheduled between March 22nd, 2020 and June 30th, 2020. And also they're working on, permanent resident who trying to come back to the United States of America after they've been outside the United States for so long. Well, they're working on those categories. Now also they are reissuance immigrant visa that expired between March 2020 and August 2020. And also people who are affected by the immigration suspension, they're working on those cases. Okay, don't forget people who are in DV lower visa category, they are working on your cases as well. All right. And then for as far as non-immigrant visas, they're saying that the embassy continue to prioritize travelers with urgent travel needs. Okay, if you have a travel or like an urgent travel need, well, you have to schedule an appointment to get a non-immigrant visa. All right. So guys, let's move to the second country. The second country is gonna be Haiti. So Haiti, over here, I think they have this update here for a while. Well, one thing for non-immigrant visa here, they're saying that they are working on F, M, and J visa classes and a limited number of in-person appointment on petition-based visas such as H, L, P, and R visa classes. Also, we are continuing to process a limited number of interview waiver. What they're doing there. Let me see here. They don't have much over here. And also for immigrant visa, they are scheduling immigrant visa based on priorities. Like I say, for adoption case, for children who are gonna age out, and also they process a limited number of cases for spouses, fiancé, children, parent, and siblings of U.S. citizens, and spouse and children of U.S. Lawful permanent resident, like a legal permanent resident. Okay, they are working on those cases as well. And basically that's what they have here. Over here, let me see. The U.S. Embassy has resumed all routine visa services for U.S. citizens in Haiti. Well, if you still didn't get your interview appointment letter and you are in Haiti, well, you just have to be patient, because like I always tell you guys, at this point, all you gotta do is to wait, unless NVC asks you to, submit additional document or to renew some of the document that expired and stuff like that. But just have to wait. Okay, now let's move to the third country. I want to check a U.S. consulate update for today. This one will be Afghanistan. Okay, U.S. embassy in Afghanistan. So over here, they're saying the U.S. embassy in Kabul has resumed immigrant visa interviews. Okay, so the initial phase will involve rescheduling applicants who had their interview suspended due to the U.S. embassy consular session halting in-person appearance and because of 19. So they are working on those cases. First, and then once this phase is completed, they say the consular session in coordination with the National Visa Center will resume scheduling new immigrant visa appointment for applicants that are documentary completed. Okay, for application, sorry, that are documentary completed. So after the first phase, they're gonna jump on they're gonna start working on cases they receive from NVC once your application is documentary qualifying. Okay, and then they say the consular session will schedule applicant in the order that they became documentary complete and will not have capacity to expedite appointment. So they are not doing any they cannot expedite your case. Basically, if you want to send a expedite request, they cannot work on that. And then let me see, for non-immigrant visa, they say non-immigrant visa interviews remain suspended due to COVID-19. So they still suspended non-immigrant visa. You won't be able to get any non-immigrant visa yet. I don't know if they are providing it for people who like for urgent need, who are in urgent need. I don't know if they are providing any non-immigrant visa, but for that you can call the consulate yourself and ask them. Okay, so if you want to come straight to this page, you can just type on af.usembassy.gov/visas/. For Haiti, you tap if you want to come straight to the website, the embassy page, you just tap on ht.usembassy.gov/visas. Okay, so guys, if you still want me to check a U.S. consular update of your country and you don't have a chance to check it yourself, well, let me know. I will do my best to check that for you. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video. Please share the video with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see another video from me again, well, hit the bell. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, or you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, but you decide to subscribe today, well, all you gotta do is to click on the subscribe button down below this video. If you want to support this channel, well, we have a USA Monde shop. By the way, thanks to everyone who already purchased on some t-shirt. Well, if you didn't purchase your t-shirt yet to support the channel, the link is in the description below. Just click on the link, it will take you to the website. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.